Hi girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect. A snow leopard leather is coming to Planner Perfect in 2022, and I can't wait to show you. Stay tuned. Let's give a shout out for the snow leopard. I know I've got a lot of women looking forward to this one. This one we have our leopard that we have right now, Zsa Zsa, that's already out. And I will have to say that though they look exactly the same in a way in terms of their print, they do feel considerably different. Now, Zsa Zsa is definitely more velvety and suede-y, and this one really is not. This one is it's like you can feel some hairs on it, but it's not. It's not that way. It's very more firm feeling and a firmer leather, but just different. Very gorgeous. This has a blue background to it. So it's almost like exactly like our Zsa Zsa, but the background of it is like a blue-gray. Actually, even more gray than blue, I would have to say. The charm is sold separately. We have these in our store. I chose the brown elastic to go on this. Goes perfectly with the leopard or the cheetah print. This is our everyday organized. So we've got the vertical pockets here, and then this is for our notepad that comes with all of our everyday organized traveler's notebooks. The snow leopard, which we don't have a name for this one yet, will be in full force in 2022, but will make a debut in 2021 on certain accessories that we're launching in December, such as keychains and little things that, well, you'll see. So this one is coming out this year in some accessories, and will be in the stores as traveler's notebooks in all of our sizes in 2022. So this is the snow leopard coming in there's so many other leathers that are coming in 2022, but this one I really wanted to just take a moment to show you this specific color because it is a well-loved one already. Coming soon to Planner Perfect, early 2022.